So these are the roads this morning going to work. Very clear. Hold on, let me get past these signs. You could definitely tell that on the road they have put the stuff down to like an antifreeze or whatever they do to put that stuff down. Okay, but this is my drive to work this morning at 8:30. Clear, no snow, nothing. We are supposed to get a really bad snowstorm tonight, or today into tonight. So the projection says anywhere from 4 inches to a foot of snow. So that's a pretty big gap of how many inches we're actually supposed to get. So 4 inches to a foot today into tonight. We are under extreme winter storm warnings. So there's that. I have extreme anxiety and panic when I have to drive in bad weather. So I'm hoping that this storm holds off until after I'm done with my work day and I'm on my way home. But I don't know if that's going to happen or not, or what time it's actually going to start. So I will keep you documented and see what it looks like on my way home. It is 11 a.m. and the storm has started here at work. And it's already laying. We're supposed to get anywhere from 4 to 12 inches of snow in the next 24 hours. So I'm still at work and I wanted to see exactly how much came down so far. So I'm gonna put it on the, oh, that's an inch. That is a clear inch already. Yep. 1 inch already. That's nuts. What are you doing, Skip? You having fun? He's like, you like the cold? The snow? Oh, we're gonna pee. Okay. But yeah, definitely snowy. Alright, so it's Monday morning. I couldn't film my drive home because it was so bad. Like, there's a 3-lane highway. Did not know if I was even on the highway. There was times when I felt like I was driving through a white tunnel, or it was a complete whiteout. Could not see anything. So I was not about to get my camera out and take my hands off the road. It was very bad. But I made it home and it's been snowing since. So I have my trusted handy dandy roller here and we're gonna go over here to the picnic table where it's been undisturbed and we're gonna shove this baby in here down to the bottom. And it looks like about 7 inches. We got 7 inches from Saturday to Monday. So